Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will install only what's necessary and get coding fast. First, make sure Python 3.x is on your path and VSCode is installed. Then add the Python extension and pylons for completions. Open a new project folder and create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv, activate it. Once done, select the interpreter via Ctrl+Shift+P right arrow Python. Select interpreter and pick the venv1 so linting, IntelliSense, and debugging, use the right environment. Now configure VSCode to work predictably. Install Black and Flake 8 into the virtual environment so formatting and linting are consistent. In workspace settings, set the default interpreter, formatter, and enable format on save. Create a VSCode/launch JSON to define a Python module or script configuration and add tasks. JSON for test and build commands. Once configured, test by running the debugger. Step into a function and inspect variables so you confirm breakpoints, env-vars, and path settings behave as expected. Finish by running and validating your app in tests. Use the run view to launch with breakpoints, inspect variables, and add watch expressions. Once done, run PyTest from the Test Explorer to ensure behavior matches. If something breaks, first confirm the selected interpreter matches the project venv, and that path includes Python. Then check output and Python logs. Make sure conflicting extensions are disabled, and that linters/formatters are installed in the active environment so tooling behaves reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.